Hey y'all, welcome back to Hobby Lobby Day. I don't have a certain day for Hobby Lobby, so I'm just going to say Hobby Lobby Day. What was it, 80 or 90% off? Truly Bear says to please subscribe so she doesn't go off. So let me just get into this video and show y'all. Yes, I just happened to drive down to see if my Hobby Lobby was back open, and y'all, they was open on Saturday. I am super psyched. So let me show y'all what I picked up. Now, I'm not gonna give you like the prices of everything. I'm gonna try to read the receipt and match it up to what I think was the price, but everything came to $40.76. You can $40.76. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start off with the biggest thing right now because it's taking up a lot of room here on my couch. I found, I guess you call these, it says the plastic bunny grass. And I'm not going to pull them all out, but I bought all of them. There was only 7 left, so I got all 7 of them. Fake indoor grass. And these were originally $4.99. And on the receipt, it says I paid $8 each. So I got 7 of these for $7. And nice size. Once you put them all together, you know, it will form. They don't connect or anything. But when you put them together, you know, it will form like a patch of grass. Can you see that? Very fake, but it looks so real in person. And I have 7 of them. I wish I would have had 8, and I would have had, you know, 4 patches. But y'all gonna see these in an upcoming tablescape, and I'm gonna make the 7 that I have work. Okay, throw that over there next to the other stuff that I got. So everything in Hobby Lobby, I guess it's like their Easter or their spring sale. So I went and got all my Easter stuff. So I found this beautiful bunny. They only had 1 of these. Isn't that pretty? And the price on this was $7.99. $7.99. So let me try to find. I think I paid $3.20 for this bunny. Not bad at all. And it's really heavy. Really nice size bunny. So I'm going to wrap her back up, because a lot of stuff that I'm showing you is Easter clearance, and it's just going to get put down in the tote and put away for next Easter. Next, I found a little nest with some pretty pastel eggs. Isn't that nice? And it was $3.99. And on the receipt, it looks like I paid 80 cents. There's 80%. So this was 80 cents. And the bunny was not $3.20. The bunny was $1.60. So before I get off the track, I'm just going to show you stuff, guys. I found this was not off 80%. This is like one of in the 90% aisle. And it's a cloth table runner. See the picture. And the price for this was $1.24. And it's just a mint green table runner. And in the package. Okay, so got that. These I have been wanting when they first came out at Hobby Lobby, but they had two of these, the rabbit plates, and they were originally $7.99. So keep in mind, if you're doing 4 to 6 place settings and this stuff is not on sale, just to buy 6 of these would have ran you $50, $48 plus tax. So you always have to try to buy, you know, off season so you'll be ready for the following season. Now these were $1.60 a piece, so I paid $3.20 for these, and I hope you can see them. They are so pretty and nice and elegant. So I have 2 of them. That's all they had. If I could have got 4, I would have got 4. But I mean, they can just go on, you know, your table for candy dishes, or if you're just serving for you and your significant other. These are going to be nice with nice white plates, or if I could find green plates, that'll be nice to go under the bunnies. So I was super happy to find that. And then they had these plates, and these are the melamine plates, acrylic, for $3.99 a piece. See the price, $3.99, and I got 4 of these. 4 of these, and that is the pattern. So for $3.99 at 4 of them, they were 80 cents a piece. Not bad, not bad. That's all for that. Scored that. And then I came across a bunny, 2 bunnies, salt and pepper shakers. And this was $4.99. So I paid $1 for a nice bunny salt and pepper shaker. I thought that was cute. Okay, that was $1. Now the flamingos I'm about to show you, they were not the 80%. These are like place card holders that you sit at your table, but they are running the 50% off spring tags. So these were originally $5.99, and I paid they were 50% off, so they were $2.99 a piece. So it came up to $6 for 2. And I'm only doing a 2-piece setting, so I only got 2 of these. And you just put your place card, you know, stick it down on there. But you'll see these in the upcoming tablescape. I love flamingos. It's one of my favorite birds. I love flamingos. So I got 2 of those. Next, the last 2 things from the Easter, 80% off. They had these lovely Easter lace tablecloths. Look at that. And these were originally $17.99, and I got it for $3.60. Lace fabric. See that little flower, and then they had it in the blue. So I got 2 of them. They had it in pink too, but I didn't go overboard. I just got the blue, because the blue and the white you can use all year round. It just does not have to be just for Easter, even though it does have a big Easter egg on it, if you can see the pattern right here. But you know, you cover that up. If for outside, you can put it on your outside tables. I mean, if somebody's coming over your house to look at all your intricate details on your tablecloth, they don't need to be at your house or in your backyard, child. But I just thought this would be something fresh and new, you know, to sit on my patio table, or I'll put it down in my Easter box and it'll be used, you know, for next Easter. But just because it has the Easter design on it don't mean that you can't use it, especially if it's just you at your house, you know. So think out the box when you're buying stuff that's off season. So double check to get everything back in the bag. Because like I said, most of the bunny stuff, the Easter stuff, that's just going straight on down in the tote that I bought. And that'll get put up for next year. Okay, so, as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can see future videos of my shopping hauls. Thank you and have a blessed day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. And remember, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all take care. Hey y'all. Damn it. Hey y'all. Let me get this straight. Hey y'all. Welcome back to Hobby Lobby Day. I don't have a certain day for Hobby.